All right, cool. Level 1 out of the way. You have 7 squares placed across the page. Just done. Let's go to level 2. We're going to do exactly the same thing, but we're going to make our shapes a little more complex. And what I would like to do is set it up more on a grid. So instead of randomly placing them, we're going to go ahead and take a little more time to lay these out. Little heads up, this might be cheating to tell you, but I am going to create a city from high in the sky. Our vanishing point, we'll just keep it simple, will be in the middle. We're going to go ahead and run all of our lines that can see towards that vanishing point. This one can, but it's really tight. Remember, it's every corner, including the interior corners. All right, so now all I have to do is close this off. Now remember, I want to have kind of a city street down below, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up some space. Remember, parallel, parallel, parallel. This will turn and go down that direction. That's going to go there. Now here's, again, one of the difficult things. This is only difficult until you learn it. It hits this line. All angles are based off of the vanishing point. Everything else is going to be exactly like what's in front of it. This is the front, this is the back. Where it hits there, this is the front, this is the back. All right, we can make this really complex if we wanted to, but short day today. We got a couple cars down here. Maybe a tree or two. People walking on the street. Maybe a little hot dog vendor. Park benches, more trees, more streets, more cars, sidewalk, tree. Let's make this one our hospital heliport. Now the roads and the streets down at the bottom, no need to do anything except keep those straight because we're looking directly down on them. So they are going to have no bearing on a vanishing point. Remember that perspective, again, is how we see things. So if something is this big up close, I don't have to change the size of it, but it will look smaller as it moves further away. So this and this, they're the same size. All right, cool. Go ahead and catch up with that. Level 2 complete. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you learned something new or reminded of the thing you used to do once upon a time. I am JMendezNapier. You can find me in the future as I get ready to self-release a novel, White Horse, Red Blood, under the series title 39 Sketches. You can find that at 39 Sketches or at JMendezNapier on Instagram and just about anywhere else you can find my name. Thanks for hanging out.